Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Lifetime Travel Mates. My name is Haekyung and behind the camera is no one right now, but usually it's Jordy and together we are the Lifetime Travel Mates. And today I'm going to make bibimbap. Some of you actually asked us to try making bibimbap here in India, so we're gonna do that. And bibimbap is probably one of the most well-known Korean dish, and nutrition-wise is super healthy, I think, because it has a lot of vegetables on it and then also a fried egg on top. Well, fried egg is not that healthy, but anyway. The reason why it's called bibimbap is bap means rice in Korean, and bibim, it comes from the verb bibida, which means to mix. So bibimbap is like mixed rice or mixing rice or something like that. I heard that some of the foreigners, if they don't know how to eat it, sometimes they just eat all the veggies and rice like separately, but this is not the right way. You have to mix all of them together with, of course, with the gochujang sauce, the Korean pepper paste sauce, and all together, and it becomes amazing. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so before you begin, I would like you to prepare those ingredients first. Of course, the rice. I cooked the rice a few minutes ago and had it ready. Ideally, if you have the sticky rice, it will be the best. But since I only have basmati rice at home, I use this. I think it's not that much different. Might be a little bit of texture difference, but for me or for Jordy, I think it should be fine. And then I would like you to roast a little bit the sesame seeds. I'm not sure if it's easy to find sesame seeds, but the supermarket we go often, they have sesame seeds. So I would like you to roast the sesame seeds a little bit. We use it to season the vegetables, and also to season the vegetable we chop the garlic. So please make sure to have them ready before you begin. I'm gonna use just 4 vegetables. First one is mushroom. I think it doesn't really matter, any kinds of mushroom should be fine, but the one I could find in the supermarket was the oyster mushroom. And then spinach. I really love putting spinach in the bibimbap, so I'm gonna use spinach. And also carrot. Yeah, this is more than enough. And then I need to show you something. You know what it is? This is a bean sprout. Look at this. I homegrown this bean sprout at home. It's been like 4 or 5 days, and then it has grown so much, and then now it's perfect to put it in the bibimbap. Look at this! Oh my god, it looks so yum! And I really love putting spinach on the bibimbap also. Look at this, how long it has become. If you want to know how to make bean sprout, you can search on the internet. Or if you want, I can demonstrate later on our next video. Look at this. I'm not really sure how small I should cut this, because this is my first time to use these type of mushrooms in bibimbap. Well, actually, I don't really make bibimbap often. 1 tablespoon. Oh, it's a lot. I'm not sure. Oh, whatever. Well, I'm not really sure if I was supposed to boil it, because maybe this type of mushroom is not supposed to be boiled. Well, we'll see. Oh my god. Mom, please help me! I need my mom! It's hot! Now, bean sprouts. Now, the bean sprout is ready. The reason I'm keeping the broth is actually you can have this broth when you're eating bibimbap. It's going to be a very good bean sprout soup. Alright, so now I'm going to prepare the carrot. But you know what? I'm already tired. I need help, so Georgie's helping me with cutting the
Carrots. Yes.
because I'm already tired. Good job, Jordi! Okay, now I need to stir fry this carrot. Now I'm going to season the vegetables. First, I'm going to start with mushrooms, soy sauce, mix them together. We have it ready here. And then the next one is a bit of soy, a bit of this. Mix that together. Whoa! That's a lot. Here. Now next up, 콩나물. Here. Garlic. Okay, finally we're going to make bibimbap sauce. The main ingredient is this gochujang, or Korean pepper paste. This is a homemade Korean pepper paste. If you want to know how to make the homemade Korean pepper paste, please check the past videos. Alright, so I'm gonna open this tablespoon. It's a lot. And then I'm going to add honey. Normally we don't put honey to make the bibimbap sauce, but I couldn't find it here in India, so I'm just gonna use this as an alternative. So let's see how it goes. Oh, we didn't finish Korean pepper paste. Or we can make another tteok-bokki, or we can make another Korean food. Yay! Oh, and the most important thing, the fried egg.
Finally, bibimbap.
I'm really tired. I didn't know it's going to be this much.
But I gotta say, it looks very authentic. I mean, it looks Korean. It looks like a bibimbap from a restaurant, except zucchini, right?
Yeah, zucchini is missing. I forgot.
If you have zucchini at home, maybe add it stir-fried, like a carrot.
Yeah, like carrot. Yeah. Probably.
Actually, you can add other mushrooms, meat. There's no like super strict rules about bibimbap.
Yeah, you can put beef or you can put any vegetables that you like actually. But
Chicken is not that common, right?
Not really.
Meats
Chicken,
would be beef.
I don't know, like beef.
Maybe pork.
Yeah.
Tofu, you can add like dices of tofu or paneer. Can we try?
Yeah, let's try.
And also we have the broth. It's hot. 콩나물.
Yeah.
Should we mix it?
Yeah, you can mix it because when you feel like it's too dry, you can mix it a little bit, but
Just a little bit. Because this...
it's too salty. I don't know what just happened. Maybe I boiled too much for a while.
It's a strong broth. It's a strong broth.
But it's a good broth, but it's really salty.
It's loaded of vitamin from the bean sprouts. Anyway, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
The gochujang is below, so make sure you mix everything well. A funny thing of bibimbap is that the presentation is so nice, but later you just destroy it. So, you know, like many things, many foods that they look so nice when they present it to you, but later they become a mess.
But you really gotta make sure to mix them all together. I should cut the vegetables a little bit.
Yeah, the spinach.
Yeah, spinach.
Cut the spinach. Don't leave them this long. I think
Look at this.
it's super long.
It's
like a
long.
spaghetti.
I mean, this one is like, look at this, it's super long.
Moment of truth.
Jesus Christ. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, what a mess. Smells real. It smells like in Korea.
I think it's.
Its flavor is good. Texture, there's something about the rice.
Right, I know.
It's not the
I know.
fat rice or what's
Sticky
the name?
rice.
Sticky
Yeah,
rice.
yeah.
So if you have like sticky rice, sushi rice,
Exactly, yeah.
that will be better. In some supermarkets you can use it.
I knew.
You can find
yeah,
it.
yeah.
But it's not like the typical rice you can find in India. So
Yeah, like I mentioned at the beginning, yeah, if you have the sticky rice, perfect texture, but it's fine. I think it's not too bad.
it's fine. No. It's like
Yeah.
flavor wise, it's this is the taste of Korea. You know, when you eat this, you feel in Korea, right? You feel in Korea, right?
Yum.
And one thing, bibimbap usually is eaten with a spoon, so forget about chopsticks. That's one of the advantages for those who cannot hold chopsticks.
Good, no?
It's good. I'm saying it's good. It's a bit spicy. I think the gochujang was quite spicy.
I think you put too much gochujang there.
You put it.
Okay, may I try yours?
No.
Just to see how spicy it is. I mean, maybe you didn't mix it properly. Oh,
Of course,
yeah,
because I'm
I
a
see.
foreigner and I don't know how to mix rice with
I see.
vegetables.
I
right?
see. It's more red
You can exchange if you want. Let me try from
than
this.
mild.
Yeah, you get my half left and I get the whole plate. Look at this.
So I brought a bit more of gochujang sauce because I like spicy.
Congratulations. It tastes pretty much like in Korea, so I guess that's a success.
Thank you. Alright, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I mean, the process of making was a little bit messy than other food that I made, but I tried my best and then it actually worked out pretty good. Follow the recipe, and if you try it, let us know how it turns out. And if you like this video, please click like and also subscribe to our channel.
And hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episodes.
Yeah, and share this video to everyone, your friends or family, so we can make more videos like this. I will see you next time.
Take care. Bye bye.
안녕.